Pause for a moment and envision that your innermost musings and feelings are not confined to your being alone. They are the very essence that weaves the fabric of your reality. Welcome to the realm of the mind, a space where consciousness wields the power to shape the very core of our existence. Each thought we harbor, each resolve we set forth, and every sentiment that stirs within us casts a stone into the vast waters of the universal mind, sending ripples across the collective consciousness. Here in this expansive universe, we realize that reality is not a mere collection of matter, but a symphony orchestrated by the human psyche. As we journey deeper into the mind's realm, we uncover that our conscious essence is an age-old power, revered and explored through ancient wisdom and spiritual paths. It's this consciousness that breathes life into the cosmos, an incessant force that molds the perceivable and the profound. Each thought and intent are akin to an artist's brush on the canvas of existence, with our emotions providing the palette of colors that define our shared reality. Long before the dawn of modern thought, sages and mystics perceived the universe as an intricate dance of interconnectedness. Within this dance, the human mind was not a mere spectator, but a pivotal dancer, co-creating with the cosmic rhythm. This profound interconnectedness was central to the teachings of the great Hermeticists, who postulated that all that exists is a reflection of the divine consciousness, an infinite mind that we are all part of. By recognizing that the universe mirrors our collective consciousness, we understand that it's not an entity separate from us. Instead, it's a vibrant reflection of our inner state, a vast, responsive domain where every subtle shift in our thoughts and feelings can initiate waves of cosmic change. This timeless wisdom invites us to embrace our role in this grand design, recognizing that we are both the creators and the inheritors of the universe's unfolding story. Building upon this ancient wisdom, we delve into the Hermetic teachings that paint the universe not as a physical mechanism, but as a mental construct. This philosophy, etched in antiquity, suggests that the cosmos is akin to a grand mind in which we reside, a space where divine thought becomes the genesis of all creation. The principle, as above, so below, encapsulates this belief, proposing that the macrocosm and microcosm are reflections of the same essence. In this mental universe, every star and atom is born from thought, every breeze and mountain crafted by the unseen hand of consciousness. The Hermetic tradition teaches us that by understanding the mental nature of reality, we gain the ability to influence the very tapestry of existence. It is a call to realize our potential as co-creators, shaping our world through the focused power of our conscious intent. In embracing this perspective, we step into our inheritance as artisans of reality, sculpting the material and the mystical with the chisel of our thoughts. This mental universe is fertile ground for the seed of imagination, which we can understand as the universe's creative pulse. Imagination is not a mere daydream, it is the primordial workshop where all forms of existence are first envisioned and then realized. It is through this divine capability that our thoughts and ideas transcend to shape the tangible world around us. The ancients knew this, teaching that within the boundless contours of our imagination lies the potential for infinite creation. Here, the mind's eye is not constrained by the physical laws that govern our sensory world. Instead, it is free to explore, to create, and to manifest. Every innovation, every leap in human progress has its genesis in this imaginative realm. It is the wellspring of our creativity, allowing by harnessing this powerful force, we align ourselves with the universe's boundless creative energy. As we cultivate our imagination, we unlock the doors to new possibilities, and in doing so, we weave our aspirations into the fabric of reality itself. In the theater of existence, our thoughts are not idle spectators, but active directors, scripting the scenes of our lives. The reality that unfolds around us mirrors the inner workings of our mind, a reflection of our deepest convictions and beliefs. Just as a mirror faithfully casts back our image, the universe responds to the frequency of our thoughts, echoing our inner narrative in the physical world. It is through this powerful resonance that our intentions become woven into the web of collective experience, demonstrating that the world we perceive is indeed a manifestation of our own design. This understanding empowers us to curate the life we wish to lead, realizing that in the grand play of existence, our thoughts are the pen with which we write our story. Our journey through the mind's corridor reveals an alchemical truth. Transformation begins with thought. This ancient concept, once veiled in the mystery of esoteric traditions, is now unveiled as the principle of mental alchemy, the art of transmuting the leaden weight of negative thoughts into the golden light of awareness and positivity. This process is not mere metaphor, but a practical pathway to personal revolution. Mental alchemy teaches that within us lies the philosopher's stone, the elusive catalyst capable of transforming our inner conflicts into harmony, our doubts into certainty. It insists that the base elements of fear and uncertainty, often so paralyzing, can be reworked and refined into confidence and clarity. Through conscious intention and focused will, we are the alchemists, capable of reconfiguring the base substances of our experiences into something noble and elevated. This transformative power extends beyond the individual. As we alter our own mental landscape, we cast new light onto the collective canvas. Our thoughts, once shadowed by limitation, can become beacons of inspiration, igniting change and awakening potential in others. In this act of mental transmutation, we find that our personal evolution resonates with a universal harmony, contributing to a symphony of human consciousness that shapes the world. It is here, in the crucible of the mind, that we discover the secret to profound change, both within and without. As we refine our practice of mental alchemy, we become masters of our own psyche, learning to navigate and sculpt the inner architecture of our thoughts and emotions. This self-mastery is the heart of mental transmutation, empowering us to shift our inner narratives and, in turn, the outward expression of our lives. By choosing which thoughts to cultivate and which to release, we exercise sovereign control over our mental landscape. This discipline requires us to confront our shadowy doubts and fears, to acknowledge them, yet not be governed by them. Instead, we learn to redirect our focus towards thoughts that serve our higher purpose and well-being. Such mastery does not happen overnight. It is the work of a lifetime, a continual process of becoming, of evolving our mental and emotional selves to higher states of clarity and peace. This journey towards self-mastery is transformative, not just for the individual, but for the collective as well. As we each elevate our consciousness, we contribute to the elevation of all, forging a reality that reflects our highest aspirations and collective potential. Through the gateway of self-mastery, we encounter a profound realization. Our inner metamorphosis resonates with the universe's vast expanse. As we align our thoughts with higher frequencies of positivity and purpose, we not only transform our personal reality, but also touch the fabric of the cosmos. This interconnectedness means that our mental transmutations ripple outward, influencing the collective ether in ways seen and unseen. This synergy between the microcosm of the self and the macrocosm of the universe is where our individual transformations gain universal significance. Our elevated thoughts act as beacons, sending out signals that can harmonize with the thoughts of others, fostering a collective ascension in consciousness. It's a reminder that we are intricately woven into the universe's tapestry, with our mental and emotional threads contributing to its ever-evolving pattern. As we continue this journey of transformation, we become more than individuals. We become integral contributors to a shared destiny, co-creators in an ever-unfolding story of cosmic evolution. Our thoughts, once bound by the confines of our mind, now join the symphony of universal creation. In the quietude of reflection, we recognize that our most profound transformation is not solitary. It vibrates within the collective consciousness. As each individual nurtures thoughts of hope and compassion, these sentiments cascade into the collective, elevating the communal spirit. We begin to see that our personal journey of mental transmutation is a mosaic tile in humanity's grand masterpiece. Every thought, when steeped in intention and kindness, becomes a catalyst for widespread alchemy. It is a call to action, urging us to forge our inner world with conscious care, knowing that the ripples we create will extend far beyond our personal shores. Let us, then, embrace the art of mental transmutation, carrying forward the legacy of transformation as we contribute to the universal narrative, crafting a world imbued with wisdom, love, and the purest gold of human potential.